Hello everyone, in front of me is Motorola Razr 2025 and let me show you how to check for software updates. So at first, enroll the settings, then scroll down and enroll system updates right here, and now just mark update status to check. Then click on check for updates, wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see it is confirmed, so everything looks good. There is no update to be installed. However, if on your device there is some latest version available, just instead of got it, you will have install, so just tap on it and install brand new version. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.